Welcome. Today in front of me T-Mobile 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap here to open and click yes, I agree, then pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 32.1 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.